Are you tired of bank delay, hidden charges, or restriction when sending money across Africa? What if I told you that there is a faster, easier, and more affordable way that I can use to send money across Africa? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a MoMo account and start receiving and sending money across board. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or you just want a convenient way that I can use to send money across border, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you some things that you need to avoid and I can also get verified quickly. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop your comment at the comment section. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that can work from home and make passive income online. If you're interested, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive into the video. Go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, then type MoMo PSB. So type MoMo PSB and install it on your phone. I've already downloaded and installed it on my phone, so I'm going to click on open. Then click on allow. Then click on get started to start. Welcome to MoMo. Enjoy instant and secure transaction with MoMo payment service bank. Sign in with your phone number. So you can sign in with your phone number, create your MoMo account. I'm going to click on create MoMo account because I have not created the MoMo account before, so I'm going to click on this. Then you must click on agree to these terms before you click on create MoMo account. Enter your phone number here, so make sure it's an MTN number that you are using. Then enter this referral code I can see on your screen, on this referral code. Once you are done with that, then you click on next. So they will ask you to verify your number, so they will send you an OTP. So enter the OTP, then you click on continue. Then to take you to this interface, create your PIN. So you're going to create a 4-digit PIN that you will use to log in anytime you want to log in. So I'm going to pause this video, then I'll create the PIN, then we'll continue. So you click on next after you have entered the 4-digit PIN. Then you confirm the 4-digit PIN again. Then you click on create PIN. To bring you to this interface, click on next. I say we need to sign in to continue again. So this time we're going to sign in with our phone number. So we are going to click on sign in with phone number. So you're going to enter that your phone number, then you're going to enter your MoMo PIN to sign in. After you have entered your phone number and your PIN, then to bring it to this interface, so verify your account. So they're going to send you an OTP for you to verify your account, which means we have successfully signed in. You're going to skip this. So you have fully created your MoMo account, so you can now do transaction. So you can send money, receive money with your MoMo account. You can buy airtime, data, pay electricity bill and other services on this platform. So on this app, you can be able to transfer to other MoMo accounts for free of charge. Then you can also transfer to bank. And one of the most important features of this app is that you can transfer to African countries. So you can send money to other African countries. So if you click here, then you can select the country I want to send to. So you can be able to send money to all of these countries from your MoMo app. That's one of the great feature of this app. And you can also receive money from other African countries. You can also add money to your account here. So if you want to add money, click here, then you can add money to your account here. Then your account number is this first number that you can see here. This is your account number that you can give to somebody for them to make payments or transfer to your account. Now you have seen how easy it is to create a MoMo account in Nigeria and start sending and receiving money across Africa. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified. If you want to learn how to create a dollar, euro and pounds account, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.